Hi, everybody. My name is Sanchit Soni, and I'm a part of the Amazon Global Selling team. Today, I will be talking about how you can expand your business in the Middle East region through the Amazon Global Selling Program. I'm very sure that most of you are already enrolled in it and you are already selling in different geographies of the world. But for those who are new to the Amazon Global Selling Program, I would also quickly tell you its reach and its significance in the current day scenario. Also, for any queries, please reach out to us at the exhibition booth. So let's begin. So before starting, I would like to quickly read an anecdote by one of the leading personal care brand, Mamaearth, who enrolled in the global selling program and it did wonders for them. I don't think any other platform has the scope to target and build a brand the way Amazon does. We reached more than 3 lakh parents across 150 plus cities in India. So a year and a half after establishing a brand in India, we went global and launched on Amazon.com. Today, we are a strong player in all marketplaces with more than 50% of our business coming in from Amazon. We started as a 2% operation producing 6 products. Our first employee joined us in 2017, and we now have 50 employees working with us. That's so encouraging to hear, right? So, what is global selling? Amazon Global Selling Program was launched in 2015 to help Indian MSMEs grow and scale through e-commerce exports. The idea was to create an ecosystem so that the manufacturer only focuses on creating quality products. All the other tedious tasks like ensuring marketing access, market intelligence, compliances, cross-border remittances, and supply chain fulfillment should be taken care by Amazon and its partners. Today, the program has more than 70,000 Indian exporters and have cumulatively crossed $3 billion in exports. Thousands of Indian MSMEs and entrepreneurs have emerged as successful global brands in more than 30 product categories. Amazon is now present in 18 marketplaces, which then allows a seller to access customers in more than 200 countries. That's a very big number. Let's spend a couple of seconds looking at these leading brands in different categories who established their global presence through Amazon Global Selling Program. You would see names like ITC, Fab India, Titan, and there's so many more. Moving on, why should we do exports? First, more customers means more business. Second, you are not restricted by seasonality. And also you get to take part in multiple sale events all across several marketplaces. Third, higher volumes means lower costs. Fourth, your brand gets international recognition. Fifth, we move forward on our aim to be Atmanirbhar Bharat. And sixth, you don't need to go aggressive in marketing yourself, as Amazon Global Selling brings the customer to you. Now let's discuss why selling in the Middle East region is so important right now. Here are some facts about Middle East. The Middle East has a higher GDP than India. Exports to UAE from India and Saudi already crossed $34 billion back in 2018 itself. Amazon UAE, that is Amazon.ae, is already the #1 site for e-commerce shopping in UAE. Their sale events, especially during Prime Day and Ramadan, has been seeing an exponential growth in traffic year on year. The numbers shown at the bottom of the page signify the magnitude of e-commerce penetration in UAE. More than 28 million monthly customer visits on the Amazon marketplace itself. Guys, that's an opportunity standing right there. Along with this, Amazon UAE also allows you to sell to customers present across the 7 Emirates, including Dubai, Saudi, Sharjah, and Abu Dhabi. The e-commerce market there has been growing at 30% year on year. Customers have similar tastes as Indians, so the sellers do not need to manufacture a different line for them. Normally, for other global marketplaces, there is a subscription fees of around $40 per month. But there is no such monthly subscription fees here, which is a huge benefit. And I feel the biggest reason to sell in UAE right now is to leverage on the first movers advantage. As these marketplaces have just launched and thus there is lesser competition, and thus a seller would have to pay substantially less on advertising to sell their products. The following are the top categories right now. But again, since the marketplaces have just launched, there is more than enough organic demand for all kinds of product categories, even beyond the ones that are mentioned in the slides. Moving on, let's discuss on how to start doing global selling through Amazon. So this is how it works. You identify the product you want to sell, then you register with Amazon Global Selling and list your products. You ship your products to the Amazon FBA warehouse based out of Dubai, and once it's inbounded, your product is live on Amazon.ae. Customer finds a product on the website and places an order, and then Amazon delivers the product to the customer within 2 days, and you receive timely payments for the same in INR currency in your local bank account. Alternatively, instead of parking inventory in the Dubai FBA warehouse, you can also fulfill individual orders by sending it from India to UAE, as and when you receive an order. But this is a slightly more expensive method, and the customer sees a higher delivery time, which reduces the sale conversions drastically. So how do we start? As mentioned earlier, you start by registering, then listing, and then shipping. Let's discuss them one by one. If you're already selling on Amazon, you can start a registration process in 3 small steps. Open your Seller Central and go to the Inventory tab. There you shall see an option of Sell Globally. On clicking that, you shall see another tab of Middle East and North Africa. Now just go there and click on the Register Now button and the registration process will start. But in case you're new to Amazon or you wish to create an unrelated account with new credentials, you need to log into services.amazon.ae and click on Start Selling. Here you need to fill your basic credentials and click on Just Create Your Amazon Account. And again, the registration process will start. Registration process essentially contains 2 parts. Part 1 is filling basic information about the business and payment methods. Here you will require an email ID, phone number, and a valid credit card with international transactions enabled. Please note that the credit card details are required as a part of the Amazon global registration process. But no money will be debited as there is no monthly subscription fees in UAE. Part 2 is seller identity verification. We call this the SIV process. So this is also a simple exercise where you need to upload a valid national identity proof and a company bank statement. And this bank statement is required for your address proof. Now, again, here the address mentioned in the bank statement needs to be the same as mentioned earlier as the business address, and your process will go through. Next is listing. The listing process is exactly similar to the listing process of any other Amazon marketplace. So you can follow the same process. This is actually a very important step, as we all know कि जो दिखता है वही बिकता है. So please ensure your listing quality is good so that your search ranking is higher. Additionally, if you want to migrate your listings which are already present in one of the other marketplaces, please use the same ASIN as the product ID while listing, and that listing would get migrated. Moving on to fulfillment. Post listing, you need to ship your product. And as mentioned earlier, you can either do it through FBA and all your products are eligible for Amazon Prime benefits, or you can ship the orders individually as and when you receive it. For both FBA or MFN, MFN is merchant fulfillment, you can use the services of our logistic partners. For instance, for air shipping, we have tied up with Aramax, who have provided to us actually very competitive rates to ship your products from door to door. So benefits of using Amazon partner logistics are that you get best consolidated pricing because our team has been negotiating on a daily basis with them. And secondly, you get coverage and documentation support. and then shipment tracking and so consolidation also happens through them. There are different contacts of service provider mentioned here. These are for VAT registration and legal compliances. For instance, Purushottam Associates would charge you a one-time fee of 8,000 rupees to get you VAT registered, and they would also help you in your 1 year of VAT filing. I would like to end this session by voicing our vision of reaching 10 billion in exports by the end of 2025, and also emphasizing on our efforts are continuously being made to achieve this. Thanks a lot for listening to me. Feel free to reach out to us at the exhibition booth, and have a nice day, guys.